everyone. So today's video is going to be a bit different than my other study vlogs because in this video I'll give you a room tour, and my room is my favorite place in the whole world and I just love it the way it is. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this is my room. So let's start off with the study corner first. So this is my study table. It's a very simple classic study table without any drawers or anything. And this is my to-do list, which is present in all my videos. I basically write all my study related tasks in this particular diary, and I got it from Amazon. And this is a pen holder in which I keep all my pens, pencils, markers, even sharpener, eraser, everything. And this is a water bottle, just in case I want to drink water. I'll just get it from here. Whenever I feel like dehydrated while studying, I just drink water from here. And right beside my study table, I have my bed. This is again a very simple black and white bed. And right beside my bed, I have this rug. And here is my bookshelf. Let me show you everything one by one. Here I keep all my NCERT books, and this is the corner of my fictional books. Here I keep all the non-fiction books, and in this corner also there are a few non-fiction books and all the other books are fiction. Here we have the Bengali books, and these are the Tinkle magazines, which I absolutely love. Here is a torch, and these two are very cute plants. These are artificial plants obviously, and this is again a very pretty tree which was gifted to me by my cousin. And I also have my geometry box, sticky notes, scissor, stapler, gum, everything here. And there is also another little artificial plant in here. In this corner I have my notes, sample papers, PYQ book, etc. And here I have the books of my previous class. This is the class 9 science NCERT, R.S. Agarwal of class 10. This is not a previous year class book, this is of class 10 only. This is the R.D. Sharma of class 9, R.S. of class 9, H.C. Verma of class 9. Then this is concepts of physics. This is of my brother, but I kept it with me just in case I'll need it in 11th grade. This is the R.S. Agarwal of class 6, 7 and 8. So I don't know why I've kept it. Then I have a few copies in here, I have a few copies which I have used. Only I'm using these 2 to 3 copies on my everyday basis. Otherwise all the copies are used up. Here I keep all the graph book and everything. And this is the dista, and this is another artificial plant. And this is a study lamp which I use whenever the lights are out. And this is a torch. And here is Barfi. I don't know why, but he's always there with me. So if I give you a bit of information regarding my books, then I started off my reading journey a very long time ago with a few magazines like Tinkle, and there was also a Bengali magazine called Anando Mela. So I started my reading journey from there. And before that also I used to read fairy tale books which were mostly available in the book fair. And then I started reading novels with this. This is the Enid Blyton series of The Naughtiest Girl. And I'm actually thinking of rereading one more book again. Either Naughtiest Girl or St. Clair, because both these books are actually similar. Like the theme of these books is basically the British hostel for kids. And these 3 books are by Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay, who is a very famous Bengali writer. And this book actually contains all the horror stories, short stories. This book contains all the short stories from all the different genre. And this book contains 5 novels, and I have read 3 novels. I'm still left with 2 more. So yeah, that was the tour of my full bookshelf. And right beside my bookshelf, this is another table. Right beside this table, I have the main door of my room, and there is another door, and I'll also give you a tour of all the things which are there on that side of the door. But before that, you can see that there is enough sunshine in my room, and it's currently around 2:40 or 45 p.m. So I love this part about my room, that I don't have to turn on the lights at all during the afternoon, because there is ample amount of sunshine always coming through the windows. So I love it. And here's another favorite part of my room, which is my barfi. Sometimes we have kaju also in my room, but today we have barfi with me. So now let's talk about this door. So behind this door I have my closet, and I wanted a closet like that since my childhood, and my parents gave it to me, and I'm extremely grateful about it, and I also can't wait to show it to you. So this is my walk-in closet. So I keep all my clothes with the Indian wear, the shirts, dresses, long dresses, shrugs, everything here. And then this is another yoga mat which I haven't used since a very long time. So yeah. And here I keep all the tops, and then here I keep the bed sheets. Then there are a few drawers in here. And then actually keep all the clothes which I usually wear in my home, or the winter wear, jackets, everything. I keep all these in these drawers, and also my bags, etc, etc. Then this is a jewelry box. This is the box in which I had actually gotten my watch. So this is a jewelry box. These are the combs. And here are a few things like moisturizer, perfume, lip balm, nail paint, etc, etc. This is Colin for cleaning my mirror, and this is the mirror. This mirror is actually pretty big, and other than that, this full dressing area is quite empty, because most of the dressing related stuff, makeup, etc, is kept downstairs, because both of us, like me and my mother, use it, and it's pretty convenient if it's kept downstairs only. So yeah, this was my dressing area, and this was my closet. And there is my tripod, which I use every day for shooting my videos. So yeah, that was the tour of my closet. And if we come out again, this is my full room. I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. I will post a study vlog of 2 days together tomorrow, which is today and yesterday, because I could not post a study vlog today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Bye. Bye bye. And also let me know your thoughts regarding my room. I hope you like this room just as much as I like my room. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.